Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be working on how to diagnose the tire to see if it's able to pump up or if you need a new tire. You start with the jack and an air pump. If it's not pumping, then you might want to go to the bubbles, which is the Windex. I'm gonna get the Windex real quick. Windex. And when you have a flat tire, you want to spray all the areas that look infected with cracks. Once you do that, you can pump it up again and see if there's any bubbles coming out. If there's bubbles, that means if there's bubbles, let's see where the bubbles are. Sorry, I'm working bad on the camera right now. If there's bubbles, that means it's not gonna pump up. See that bubble right there? There's gonna be a bubble right here. That goes with gas lines too and everything like that. So what you gotta do is you gotta replace the tire, or it's not gonna pump up. Nick Mooney out.